Hello everyone. Today we will make Graham mango cake. Okay, I will show you all my ingredients. Okay, first thing we have the mango, condensed milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 cans of creamer. You can use any kind. I use 2 cans, and also Graham crackers. I use this brand or any honey crackers I use. Okay, so now I will slice the mango, and then before we do the next. Here the mango, I finished slicing. Now we will make the cream. Okay, let's do this one. I put in the fridge this one. It's better if it's chill. Okay, let's start mixing. This is 2 cans of cream. We'll do it for 5 minutes until it becomes fluffy. Now we can add the condensed milk. Remove everything. It's done. Okay, let's start. And let's put the cream. This one is very easy and simple to do, especially now it's summertime and there's lots of mango that you can buy. can put another one. We will put the mango in the next one. This time we're gonna put mango. You can also slice smaller one, chop it. It's up to you guys. How do you want to cut your mango? So now we're gonna put another one. Okay, let's put the last one. Slowly. Okay. Now we put everything. Yeah, ito na yung last. Okay, this is our final product. Ito na po, tapos na. And then, what we're gonna do, we need to put in the freezer for a while, for half an hour. If you want to make it longer, it's okay. Or 1 hour. And then you can serve it. I'll show you later when I cut. I need to put in the freezer first. Okay.